Only a few Frank Lloyd Wright buildings are accessible to the general public. And even then, these sometimes difficult to maintain structures are closed for renovations. Check with each location before planning a visit. 1. Marin Civic Center, 1955, offers a docent-led tour of this extensive government complex once a month, or you can do a self-guided tour. 2. Hanna House is open for tours a few days a month. 3. Hollyhock House is open after an extensive renovation. Restoration of other buildings on the property are ongoing. 4. Ennis House was sold to a private owner in 2011. Conditions of the sale required that it be open to the public 12 days per year. Tours may be halted due to foundation restoration needed following the 1994 Northridge earthquake and massive rains. 5. Mrs. Clinton Walker House in Carmel is open 1 day a year as part of a charity event, 1948. 6. Anderton Court Shops in Beverly Hills, 1952. 7. Kundert Medical Clinic in San Luis Obispo. 8. Pilgrim Congregational Church in Redding, California, about a 2.5-hour drive from Sacramento.